how to draw on Pinterest. So on Pinterest, under the collage tab, you can actually create a drawing. So to do this, you are going to go to the bottom of your screen where you see the little plus sign in the middle. We're going to click on that. Then we are going to click on collage. From there, it'll come up with ideas we can create for a collage. I'm just going to scroll this down, and you'll see on the bottom of the screen on the left-hand side, it'll have a little squiggly mark. I'm going to click on that. From there, it's going to give me my options for from left to right pencil, this more of a pen guy. I'll show the pencil, the first one, highlighter action, eraser. This is going to be a dotted line. That way you can cut and move stuff, a ruler, and a similar kind of marker. You can also change the colors with this, but that is how you are